Live a Little Productions is a full-service professional motorsports production and event management company based in the Rocky Mountains. In 2019, we'll produce over 50 events, including the Monster Truck Insanity Tour, Western Grand National Truck and Tractor Pulling Series, Freestyle Motocross Insanity and UTV Rodeos, Live in Concert Series, and more. We provide the finest quality professional entertainment for audiences and fairs across the entire Western United States, bringing competitors and talent from coast to coast. At Live a Little Productions, we understand that forming personal relationships with fair boards, sponsors, and venue management teams, as well as becoming a part of the local community, is crucial for special event success. We pride ourselves on our ability to do so. Let us help you fill your grandstands with the best entertainment available. Monster trucks are undoubtedly one of the largest spectator draws in all of motorsports. The Monster Truck Insanity Tour attracts some of the biggest names in the monster truck world, ensuring top quality professional entertainment for your fans while providing a commitment to safety that is second to none. With a format unlike standard monster truck events, the Monster Truck Insanity Tour incorporates locals into the shows and keeps spectators on the edge of their seats through the entire event. Also included in the Monster Truck Insanity Tour is freestyle motocross, mega trucks, local UTV races, tough trucks, and more. Pre-show pit parties and driver autograph sessions are fan favorites as we allow the spectators to get up close and personal with the trucks and drivers, adding to the overall spectator experience. Crowds across the Western U.S. have raved about the Insanity Tour events, and we expect many more sold-out venues in 2019. Truck and tractor pulling has been delivering its own unique form of entertainment for over 70 years. We provide a fair yet competitive environment for our drivers while delivering exciting racing entertainment to the fans and fair boards. With 16 individual competition classes, there's a spot for everyone. From the biggest 10,000 plus horsepower professional trucks and tractors, all the way to the local competitor with a gas or diesel street pickup. Grand National level truck and tractor pulling is set to take the main stage in the Western U.S. for many years to come. And we pride ourselves on being at the top of the market with our professional event experience and competitor following. The Western Grand National Pulling Series entertains audiences all across the Western U.S. with event stops at multiple fairs. Freestyle Motocross has taken over the spotlight in the last 8 to 10 years as major corporate sponsors have joined in to boost the sport to new heights. An undeniable crowd favorite, the Live a Little Freestyle Motocross Insanity team performs at many of our own events as well as rodeos, concerts, festivals, and corporate parties. As a popular standalone show, we offer freestyle motocross with a UTV rodeo that provides an exciting, action-packed 2-hour show that includes our freestyle stars as well as providing a sense of community with local involvement in the UTV rodeo. The Live in Concert Series provides fairs with talent, promotion, and complete full-scale production for any size concert or comedy act. Everything from sound, stage, and lighting to hospitality, VIP packages, and online ticketing. Live a Little Productions has the complete turnkey package to bring high-quality entertainment to your fair, while providing you a low-stress experience so you can focus on your fair while we focus on the details. In addition to our complete lineup of turnkey events, Live a Little Productions offers an extensive array of services available to your organization. As a complete production company, we provide all of the aspects to make your event successful in terms of your bottom line, safety, and entertainment value. Live a Little Productions events and services include voiceover and TV radio ad production, custom apparel design and printing, announcer and MC services, security teams, graphic design services, sponsorship consultation, marketing and advertising assistance, vinyl stickers, wrap design and printing, concert talent as well as stage, sound, lighting and backline, Jumbotron with camera and production crews, and corporate event production. As the only full-service turnkey motorsports production and event management company based in the Rocky Mountains, Live a Little Productions and our team of experienced marketing and production specialists are here for you. We will dedicate knowledgeable event coordinators to work directly with your fair to provide you with the absolute best planning and event experience, focusing on your bottom line, safety, and entertainment value. Our team excels in providing a stress-free process while working hand-in-hand with you to exceed your goals and objectives. Contact us directly at livealittleproductions.com or call 888-490-1990.